Hey everyone friends on the Welver channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the no service or no SIM card error on your phone. Even though it's actually there. But first I recommend you take this tray. Remove the SIM card from the tray and then put it back in. After that, restart your phone by holding the button and tapping reboot. This usually fixes 90% of issues. If that doesn't help, let me just increase the brightness a bit. Now if that doesn't work, make sure airplane mode isn't turned on. Next, if none of that helped, try resetting your network settings, your mobile network settings. To do this, search for reset. Here it is, reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile settings. Tap it and then tap mobile data. This will reset your mobile settings. That's it. Overall, this solves 90% of problems. If it still doesn't help, the issue might be with the SIM tray itself or the SIM card. That's all. This was Welver. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.